Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Netra Answers. Today's topic is unit of length. Unit of length is nothing but meter. Meter is also denoted with the letter small m. Small m means meter. Unit of length is nothing but meter. For example, in the case of length or distance, we use centimeter for measuring the length of a pencil as it is very small. Meter for measuring length of a saree. Okay, if you want to measure some saree, measure one saree, we will measure it and we will say that is in so and so meters. Suppose that is in 6 meters, 7 meters, like that we will measure it and say. Okay, that is the case if we measure the saree, length of a saree. And kilometer for measuring distance between two places. Okay, we use kilometers for measuring the distance of two places. From here to some Delhi, some here to some other place, we will measure it and we will say that is in so and so kilometers. If we measure distance, we will say that is in so and so kilometers. If we measure the distance, we will say that is in kilometers. If we measure some saree or if we measure some other objects, small objects, we will say that is in so and so meters. If we measure distance, we will say that is in so and so kilometers. If we measure any of the small objects, we will say that is in so and so meters. Okay, some of the meters they gave here 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 millimeters. Okay, now 100 centimeters. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. Suppose if the saree length is 7 meters. So we convert it and say that is in centimeters also. Okay, 7 into 100 is nothing but 700 centimeters. Like that we will do some of the problems. Okay, now 1000 meters. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters. Now unit of weight. Unit of weight is nothing but kilogram. Unit of weight is kilogram. It also defined in kg. kg. Unit of weight is nothing but kilogram. Kilogram is also defined as kg. Okay, we buy rice or wheat in kilograms. Yes or no? We buy large quantities. Whatever we want, those we buy in large quantities. Okay, that large quantities is nothing but kilograms. We buy those things in kilograms, kgs. Okay, but items like spices, chili powder, haldi, etc. So suppose if we do not need in large quantities, we will buy those in grams. Okay, those we can say that is in grams. We can also buy those things in weight. We can also buy those things in also grams, not only as kilograms. If we do not want large quantities, we can also buy those them as in grams. Okay, which we do not need in large quantities are bought in grams. Okay, now here 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. In this way we will define unit of weight. Unit of weight is nothing but kilogram. Kg, 1 kilogram is nothing but 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kilogram is nothing but 1000 grams. Now unit of volume. Unit of volume is nothing but liters. Okay, liter is also defined with the small letter L. Unit of volume is also denoted with the small letter L. Unit of volume is nothing but liters. It also denoted with the small letter L. Okay, so for example, a bucket normally holds 20 liters of water. Yes or no? A bucket normally holds 20 liters or 18 liters or 15 liters of water. But sometimes we need a smaller unit. Okay, but sometimes we need smaller unit. Suppose milk is there. We pour it in 1 glass. Okay, we want smaller unit, so that we can say is in milliliters. So some of the volume of milk is in some of the milliliters. Okay, if we want smaller units, so then we will use milliliters. we want those in need of smaller amount, we will use in milliliters. Okay, we will use the volume, unit of volume is milliliters is also we can notice. A bottle of hair oil. Okay, this we need a smaller unit. We need not need bucket of oil. Okay, a bottle of hair oil we will need in some smaller unit. So that is why a bottle of hair will comes under milliliters. Okay, painting color labels in milliliters. Okay, painting coloring, painting colors, those also will come under milliliters. Water reservoirs are marked with kiloliters. Okay, water in reservoirs. Okay, in reservoirs water will be more, so those we can say that is in kiloliters. Kiloliters is also denoted with KL. Here 1 kiloliter is nothing but 1000 liters. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 liters. In this way we can know our unit of length, unit of weight and unit of volume. These are very important, we should know. Unit of length is nothing but meters, we can also denoted with the letter small m, and the unit of weight is nothing but kg, kilogram, we can also denoted by kg, and unit of volume is nothing but liter, smaller. In this way we have to use the unit of length, unit of volume, unit of weight. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.